Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video we are going to drop the Oppo F17 Pro from the 1 cam height from the ground. So let's get started. So before we drop this phone, let's unbox this phone from the box. Here you can see, let's cut the box and unpack the phone from this packaging. Wow guys, the phone is really gorgeous. It is look, we have the black part of the phone is made from plastic, but still the phone is really good. The phone part, here you can see, here is a 12 selfie camera, 16+2 megapixel combo, and it's really good display. It's a AMOLED display guys. So the viewing angles and the colors of the display is really good. And also the cameras, I can say the Samsung sensor of this phone is not too good. 48 megapixel sensor is truly outdated. It is almost 2 years old, but still I think for an offline centric phone it could be enough, but still for a price point of this I think they can improve this slightly better. So without wasting any time, let's go to our drop location and drop this phone and let's see what happens with it. So guys, we are at our drop location. In just few moments we are going to drop Oppo F17 Pro from the 1 cam height. So let's start the countdown. Are you ready guys? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So guys, let's go to our home and clear up everything and let's see what happens with this phone. Here you can see guys, the phone is completely shut off from the front and the back. Oh, display is still working in some areas, but I think there's gonna be some part of the time the last breath is taking this phone from its lifetime. Oh, the phone I think can survive this test properly. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content, and final peace out.